Hi guys, welcome to Avarese's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare this beef rigatoni pasta. So first thing, we're going to season the water for our pasta and we're going to let this cook until it's nice and al dente. Now I'm just adding some oil to my pan and we're going to follow that up with some ground beef. Now it's time to add our seasonings. You can find the full ingredients for this recipe on the Avarese kitchen page. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetables. This would be a perfect time to add your favorite vegetables just to jazz up the dish to your own liking. Now I'm adding some tomato passata and you can follow that up with some ketchup or a teaspoon of sugar just to remove the zing from the tomatoes. Now I'm going to add some pitted olives and that's our beef cooked, and we can go ahead and add our pasta in. For this recipe, I opted to use extra mature cheddar cheese and some mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese that you prefer. Garnish your pasta with some fresh parsley and it is ready to serve. If you're looking for a recipe that's easy, quick and delicious, this is definitely one for the books. For more delicious recipes, please follow Avarese's Kitchen.